Hey guys, Marcus Stone here. Welcome to my channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a page in Squarespace. So let's get started. Let's say that this is your page and you want to duplicate this page right here. So what are you going to do is to click this icon right here, scroll down and duplicate the page. If you hit the confirm button, you can rename it and hit enter. All right, if you want to replace or change the position of the page, you can just drag and drop it right here. All right, so just click edit so we don't confuse it. And there you go, hit the save button. And what we do versus what we do number 2. Right, okay. That's it guys, a duplicated page in your Squarespace website. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.